If your car won't start, do these 5 things first. Firstly, check your battery. If the lights are dim or nothing turns on, it's probably dead. Second, listen carefully when you try to start it. If you hear clicking, the battery or starter is struggling. Third, check your fuel level. It sounds obvious, but low fuel can stop the engine from starting. Fourth, try moving the steering wheel slightly while starting. Sometimes the lock can stop it from turning on. And lastly, try starting the car in neutral instead of park. Sometimes a gear issue can stop it from starting. Follow so you're ready if this ever happens.